Hey everybody, we're out here in Hamburg, just about to open the door and take a walk around the house, clear the vents. Have a good time, take a walk with me. Yep, this was all snow blowed yesterday. Welcome to Western New York. Bear with me. Gotta get my gloves on. I'm already sick of it. Alright, there we go. Gotta clear my vent. Good times. Here we go, man. Well, I don't think I can go this way. I'm gonna give it a shot. Yeah, holy shit. This used to be my razor, absolutely unusable. That's my backyard. Here's my vent. But there's one that goes down. Now there's a heater one. I want to make sure it's clear for the hot water. Oh shit. Oh. Alright, this one looks clear. Here's the other one. Alright. Alright, they're clear. We're good. Alright, I wish I could get these big drifts off. Oh, God, no. Oh, this is nuts. Yeah. Normally it's about 4.5 feet below the windows here. That's my patio. My grill's under there somewhere. And my razor. That's a big ass drift I wish I could get down. That's gonna fall on my goddamn razor. I gotta do something here. I'm gonna have to go and get a ladder. In case you wonder how deep it is. Oh shit. I get the color. Oh shit. Like I said, this was all snow blowing yesterday. It was clear. Plows haven't even been down our road all day or yesterday. Welcome to Hamburg. Good old town, boys. Holy shit. Alright, well that was fun. I gotta go clear my roof off now. See you guys.